Are you on the search for a simple and delicious dessert recipe? Look no further than these no-bake Mini Biscoff Cheesecakes. I may be a pro on the savory side of cooking, but even this amateur baker can turn simple ingredients into mouth-watering bites of cookie butter goodness. Start by mixing ground Biscoff cookies with melted butter until the mixture resembles wet sand. Now make the filling with softened cream cheese and cookie butter. Be sure the cream cheese is softened to avoid lumps. Add vanilla, sour cream, and sift in powdered sugar. Mix until smooth and silky. Add the cookie crumbs to a mini muffin pan. I like using a silicone pan for easy removal. Pipe in the filling and smooth out the top. Cover with plastic. Freeze for 1 hour. Pop them out of the pan and dip them into thinned out cookie butter.